Hello everyone, this is Reham and I'm here to chit chat about that very important topic for every entrepreneur, handmade business owner, crafter, anyone who sells a product across anywhere. Throughout the 2 years that I've been building Order Out of Case, I have noticed so many entrepreneurs and business owners who does sell online, but it doesn't require to actually replicate the same experience in the mall. So by actually selling online, you need to create like a whole new experience of how they would enjoy and love your products even though they have never met you before. You've got it all in your hand once the person actually clicks and purchases your product. That's now like it's a ball in your court. So all what you need to do is basically impress, and this will only happen through 3 simple things. First, branding and marketing. Put in your card, put some tags, make sure that your logo is on there, even on the products. Make a little bit of effort and think of how to emboss and have your logo within the packaging, within your products if possible, and make it a statement. The safety of the products. Make sure that you're actually sending them as good state as if they have just left your hand. As an artist, I think we're the most devastated ones when something harm our products, because we've worked hours and days and nights to get this product or order done, and it's very valuable to our heart, and we feel it and we sense everything that happens to it. So make sure to securely secure those products, whether by bubble wraps, by packing it in a box, whatever you think of that helps your product to reach your clients safely. Let me give you another trick. For our packaging, we usually use embossing on the bags, whether on a foil, whether on the part itself or on the back, but we do it with a very simple technique, because I'm sure that there are lots of handmade business owners who wouldn't go for mass producing bags of different sizes with their logos and the boxes and everything. But there is always a way. I'll give you two tricks, and maybe they're going to be useful for you, and I'm sure you've got your own ideas as well. So first thing is the silicone stamps, and you can just have an ink pad and then you can color it the way you want, maybe gold, silver, whatever you want, but make sure to stamp it on the bag and it makes the branding fulfilled. Second is my personal preference, but because of how it relates to my brand, because Order Out of Case is about paper and how we see the 3-dimension of the paper. So I do prefer the embossing puncher because it gives the texture of the logo on the back, and for me it's more than enough, and it's beautiful even if I haven't used a foil for it, and it relates to my brand, and that's what I have previously mentioned. Whenever you do anything, whenever you send a message, put a note, a handmade note, make sure to relate it to what you're doing, because that is a message of communication and how to connect with your clients. Because by sending a nice package, you're actually telling your clients, I'm very grateful, I'm very thankful to have you as a client or a customer. So make sure that you actually put a thank you note. If you're in upcycling, make sure to relate that to your upcycling by using some materials around the house, or make a note which is even handwritten on a recycled paper, something like that. Make it related to your brand and language, and make it complement the whole packaging that you're sending across. I hope TitsHerWay is useful for everybody, and thank you very much for listening. And if you like, come and see our page, see how we do things, and see our range of products. We're happy that we shared some little information. And thank you for watching. Bye!